Hey guys, so I'm going to run you through the full range of coconut bee that we've got. So I'm going to go from big to small and we'll see how we get on. So first I just wanted to talk to you about the tanning oil. So this is what the tanning oil looks like. It's important to know as well, coconut bee is plastic free, they're cruelty free, they're not 100% vegan depending on the product because some of the products have got beeswax in them, so just make sure that you read that to double check. But this is the tanning oil, this is what it looks like, comes in this little bottle, and inside it is just a orangey oil as you would expect, like this, the oil, and then you can just literally pop that on your skin like this. I put it on a really awkward bit. It's just shiny, so it is just like an oil, and it smells nice as well. So it's coconut and carrot seed tanning oil. Just make sure you're careful because this isn't a sun cream, and you can also use it though if you at the end of a night and you want to oil your skin, so then you can use this one. That's the tanning oil. Also coconut bee have got after sun balm, so you can use this as well after you've been in the sun, and it comes in a pot like this, and inside it actually looks like that. So that is the after sun, and that's with aloe and sea buckthorn. So as the coconut bee is down in Cornwall, a lot of their products are designed for people near the sea or being in the UK. So obviously the sun that we have here isn't so bright, and that's why we've got the tanning oil, but then also you still need to be careful and use after sun as well. So that's that one. Then there is the body butter and body scrubs. These two, so the body butter is beach break, avocado and eucalyptus. I mean, doesn't that sound divine? Smells lovely as well, and that's what that one looks like. So it's in the same pot as the after sun. That's that one. And then there is the coffee and lime scrub. Again, this comes in a similar pot and it's like that, but it is a scrub when you put it onto your skin. This one, I love the smell of coffee, so this is one for me or other coffee enthusiasts. And yeah, it comes like that, so you can use the scrub and then you can use the body butter. That's what I would personally do. And so the scrub is called Rough Seas. Then we've got loads of lip balms, different flavours. They are like this, a little pot like this, so it's nice and handy to take around with you. And inside they just look like that. So they're all the same in terms of that. Firstly, I'll talk through the non-vegan ones. So these are ones that have got beeswax in them, as they're all cruelty free. So this is the rose and seaweed. Then the same size, we've got avocado and shea, and then also the spearmint and lime. So that's that one, depending on what flavours that you like or the taste. So those are those three. And then we've got two vegan ones. So these are without beeswax, 100% vegan. And this one is aloe and peppermint. As you can see, it's a slight different colour. So one is more white and the other one is a bit yellower. So the vegan ones are a bit yellow, and that one's aloe and peppermint. And then we've also got the rose and seaweed vegan as well. A little pot like that. Then there is the Life Balm. So this is a Life Balm and it covers all sorts of things. So chapped lips, broken skin, for your hands, but it's also good for beards. So this is Unisex balm and can be used by everyone. So it's quite a useful one to have in your family if you're going out and about. And that's what it looks like inside, just your typical balm, and it's solid. And then this one is amazing for anybody who does go surfing or spends a lot of their time in the sea. I wish that I spent more of my time in my sea than in the sea. Then we've got the Surf Revival, and this is the hair treatment. So it's a recovery oil with Argan and Jojoba oils in it, and yeah, you just use a little bit in your hands and put it through your hair. So it's best to use this with once you've washed your hair and your hair's still a bit damp, and then this will help to repair it. So this is one of my top favourite products at the moment. And then the last and not least, by any means, is the Calmer Balm. So this is what the balm looks like, and here you can see inside it's just a little balm like that. And what this is, so this is anti-anxiety and stress relief. So this is a great balm. I mean, at the minute definitely is, but it's got all sorts of different things in it, and you just put it on your skin, like on your wrists, and the various ingredients that are in it will help to calm you down. So it's got lots of oils in it, but they're all organic, and those ingredients will really help to calm and stress relief, and everybody needs that. So that's all the products that we've got from Coconut Bee. We absolutely love them, and yeah, you should definitely check them out.